Hey, what's going on YouTube? So it's Nathan back here with another one, bringing to you a new YouTube app that you can use on your Amazon Fire Stick. I'm on the Amazon 4K Fire Stick and I'm going to show you how to install this today. But before I do, let's go and jump into this. I'm going to go ahead and show you the layout. It's exactly like the old YouTube layout. It's exactly like the Silk browser YouTube option. But instead of the Silk browser, you just have an app strictly for YouTube and you don't have to deal with any browser at all. So as you can see, it's the regular app. You got the recommended, you got the latest, you got music, you got entertainment, gaming, you got all those tabs at the very top. And now we're on the entertainment tab. I'm gonna go ahead and show you just the playback here. So if I click on this video and it plays, it's just the regular playback. And then if I click my middle button in, you have the same suggested videos that show at the bottom, and then below that you'll have more recommended, and then below that you'll have free documentaries, which is just another category tab, and then you got search and home below that, and then you just click your back button and then it takes you back. Just the same normal stuff that you would normally see in this app. And then you have to search, which you have your trending section here, trending searches like Fortnite, the football, the Clemson game that came on. And if you click on those, you'll then see the results, but it's the same stuff that you normally see in a YouTube app. I'm just going to show you everything that's in here, what it has to offer, and then we'll go ahead and install it. So we'll continue through this process. On the left hand side, you'll go down, you'll be on subscriptions, and then you want to go to the right and click on sign in. And then this will allow you to pull out your phone, or you can just pull out your computer and then go to that exact website, youtube.com/activate. And you type in that code. You'll be immediately prompted to type in that code as soon as you go to that website, and then it'll ask you to type in your Gmail account, which is associated with your YouTube account. And then once you have logged in, it'll then automatically pop up on your Amazon Fire Stick device. Alright, so as you saw in that quick preview, I was using my Note 8 to register on my phone, and now I have access to my channel on this app. As you can see, I can see all my videos that I have on my channel at the moment, and then you can see my logo that I have on my channel on the bottom left hand corner there, which is awesome. So if we proceed to settings, you'll then see a few options here. You've got sound, which you can turn on and off. If you don't want the YouTube to play sound on the video, you can turn that off. You can also turn off autoplay, so suggested videos automatically play by default, but you can turn that off if you want to stay on that current video and not proceed to the next. You got your restricted mode for kids. You can turn off any adult content or age restricted content. You can turn that on and off. And then another key feature I saw was the linking the Wi-Fi and linking with TV code right below here. So if we click on this or just observe this section, basically it's the same thing that we do to sign in. The only difference would be you have to make sure that you're using the same Wi-Fi that your Fire Stick TV is using, which of course you probably would because it will all be in the same home. And then as long as it's on the same Wi-Fi, when you click on that cast button, you should see your Fire TV Stick as an option. So the next section brings us to language, and I'm in the US, so I'll use English, but if you're anywhere else, you want to pick your language from there and it'll show. As far as location, I'm also in the US, but you can change your location to any location of your choice, and this will also dictate what type of videos that you see on your feed. Alright, so we can clear our history, our watch history. You can clear your search history. You can also reset this app if for any reason it's going slow, or you just want to clear a few things all at once. We'll continue through here, and then all this other stuff is just extra, which is help, and then the app version, but we don't really need to worry about any of that stuff. But there you have it. That's the YouTube app, and I'll go ahead and show you how to install this on your device. So we're on the Amazon Fire Stick home screen now. The only thing we have to do is search the app. So if we go over to the search, and then see this keypad here, the only thing we have to do is type in tube, and that's T-U-B-E. So we're going to T-U B E. And then once you see tube, you just make your way down and click on the first search result, which is tube. You'll let it load, and then you'll see tons of YouTube apps in here, but we only want one, which is Tube Videos. And as you can see, there's tons of them. There's the kids version, there's just the whole regular version, and you could download any one of these. I'm just going to use Tube Videos specifically for this video. And then we'll click on download, and we'll give it a moment to install. Alright, so it's installed, and before we click on the three lines to launch it or the middle button to open it, click your home button. I'm going to go and show you how to add this to your home screen. That way you won't ever have to search for the app. It'll just automatically stay on your home screen. So hold down your home button for about 3 seconds or so. And just go ahead and hold that down. And then you want to click on apps. And then once you click on apps, any app that you install, it's always going to show at the bottom, at the very bottom. And then we click on the three lines on the remote once we're hovered over Tube Videos. And then you want to go down and click on Move to Front. Once you click on Move to Front, it'll move it all the way up to the front. And if we click on our home button again, it'll then take us to the home screen where Tube Videos, as you can see, you'll see it under recent because we just opened it, and then you'll see it under your apps and channels, which is where it should be when you launch your Amazon Fire Stick every time. But that's pretty much it. It'll show right next to Netflix, Prime Video, Amazon Music, anything that you have on your list at the very top, it'll show directly next to that. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.